Ooh, she be thick though.
Oh my god! Hi guys, it's Nicole and I'm with Sadie. Hi guys, it's Nicole and I'm with my brother Christian.
What's up?
For today's video, we're going to be testing viral TikTok recipes. I'm pretty sure everyone knows what TikTok is, but if you don't know,
They know what TikTok is.
yeah, basically there are a bunch of like recipes on TikTok, whether it's like foods or desserts, and we're gonna test if they're actually good. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe and let's get started. The first recipe is slutty brownies. We're gonna need cookie dough, Oreos, brownie mix. That's it. So let's go get that. We have some cookie dough.
Fudge brownie mix that I had to go to 2 different stores for.
And then Oreos. Oh, okay, we also have to preheat the oven 350 degrees. This is actually gonna take the longest because we're gonna have to bake this for 40 minutes. So what I think we'll do is we'll prepare this, do the other recipes, and then try it at the end. You put cookie dough at the bottom, then Oreos, and then brownie mix. Let's start with cookie dough. Yeah! How are we gonna get the cookie dough out? This isn't working. Let's scoop it with this. Wait, do we have to put like the thing?
Pam?
Mm-hmm. We need to put vegetable oil. How's your day so far?
All I did was wake up and you gotta give me cookie dough!
I'm sorry. And it was brownie mix.
Oh, brownie mix. I went to the 99-cent store to wait a line for like 15 minutes and they didn't have any brownie brownie mix. So I had to go to Smart and Final. And then I'm like right at the line. And all of a sudden I get a call. Mom says, you should get milk. And I'm like, I'm in the front of the line. Once you figure out how to get milk, also get ice. I'm like, then I walk out the store with brownie mix in this hand, ice on my shoulder, and milk on the other hand. And now I don't know how to open my car.
I can't.
We should definitely switch roles. Do we need a full layer on the bottom?
Yeah, I should probably like flatten it out. Yay!
Ready, Nicole?
What?
Spell sarcophagus.
SARCOPHAGOUS.
How do you spell sarcophagus? You definitely didn't get it.
No. Now we put Oreos. You just go like this. Yay!
Yeah.
Wow. Oh shoot, now we have to make the brownie. Like the brownie mix. Uh-oh. Where's the bowl? Wait, what? Where's
Oh, they're using it for grilling.
the faux bowl? So the usual bowls that we bake in, our parents are using. They're like grilling outside right now. 3 tablespoons of water. Is this a tablespoon?
Kind of close.
This is a tablespoon, right? Wait, show the camera. Look how small it is.
Compared to this bowl,
That was number 3. Okay.
that's definitely
Are
not
you
a tablespoon.
sure that's...
That's a teaspoon, Nicole.
Turns out we don't have tablespoons, so Christian's looking up the conversion.
It's like the thickest spoon this is such thing.
Okay, we're just gonna use this big spoon.
I think 2 of these is fine since we already put 2.
So you think that's enough water? Okay, that's fine.
You still gotta put half a cup of vegetable oil and 2 eggs.
Alright. Sadie, say hi to the camera. This is our dog, Sadie.
El perro.
Look at her face. Oh! You good, bro? Now we do half a cup of vegetable oil.
Vegetable.
Okay, because this is... we don't have enough. We ran out, but Christian's getting some more. My arm's getting tired. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good. Ooh. 2 eggs.
For what?
Dad, say hi.
Hey guys, what are we making?
Slutty brownies.
Slutty? Alright, now we mix. Not it.
Well, I guess I have to mix now. Ooh. Dad, look at our slutty brownies so far.
Wow.
This reaction is so fake.
She'd be thick though.
Bro, you know, originally I had like 5 recipes on the paper. I thought we would have time for like 5
I think
recipes.
this is episode 1.
No, we have 3 in total. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's good.
Oh, I kind of like that.
How do you think this is gonna taste?
Great. Here, you hold this real quick. Okay.
Christian, it's heavy! I think we have our base done. We're gonna put this in the oven, but it's actually gonna take 40 minutes. So we're gonna do the other recipes and then try that at the very end. Go. We have the slutty brownie in the oven. Christian, the next two recipes, they're not gonna take as long because that one like took a long time to prepare. But next we have the peanut butter mug. Next we have the peanut butter mug cake. So this one's only 3 ingredients and it's only gonna take like a few minutes to prepare. We're gonna use a holiday mug. It says, "Dear Santa, it's a long story." Now we need peanut butter. What the? Oh, we only have the crunchy kind. We need 1 egg. Can you get the egg? And then sugar.
This egg right here, it bounces.
Christian, what are you?
It's literally bouncing. It's crazy.
All right, we need 3 tablespoons of peanut butter.
I want to blend this.
Christian, no.
That's a lot of peanut butter. That's 2 tablespoons of butter. Or peanut butter. Dude, you know what we should do? We should buy a brand new peanut butter for our family, but hide an egg in there.
Why?
So dad's gonna eat about it one day. He's just like, "What's this egg doing in here?"
That's so stupid. Now we need 1 egg. Ugh. Can you just look up how many teaspoons in a tablespoon?
3 teaspoons. 3 teaspoons.
So there's.
Oh, that was perfect. Last time we did 3 teaspoons.
Oh, you're right. Now we need 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of sugar. We only have like the teaspoon one, so we're just gonna do 4 of these. 1.
Those are fat spoons.
2, 4. So this is what our, oh wait, you guys can't really see that. This is what the mug looks like. I'm pretty sure we mix it. Yeah, okay. Oh my god. No, it looks gross.
Well, it's because it's not cooked.
And it's the chunky peanut butter, so there's nuts in it. Do you think this is gonna be good?
You can take first bite.
I think it's not gonna taste good because of the nuts. Okay, let's just microwave it.
El
Okay.
microondas.
60 seconds. Oh, Christian, look, it's like rising. Oh!
Uh-oh.
Wait, can you see that?
And rising.
Oh no. Wait, is it going over? Oh my god! Okay, wait, there's only a few seconds left.
You leave it to rest for 2 seconds. See? It gets down.
Okay. How does it look?
Disgusting.
Ew! That looks so gross! This looks disgusting.
I'm not trying that. I want the texture.
Look.
Oh.
Ew! I don't want to eat this. I'm just gonna try this.
That's
one.
not it. You're not gonna get the full flavor from that. That wasn't even a taste.
Ew, look, you can see the egg.
Just spit it out.
It like cooked the egg only.
You didn't get me. You just spit it out.
I can't eat this. It's like it just won't go. Hold on.
There. Now you've tried it. Ew.
Oh.
Throw this away.
You know what? It's not like terrible, but it's not good at all. It might be because we had crunchy peanut butter, but like I don't know, but that just, no, I don't like it. And now we're gonna make whipped coffee. I feel like everyone and their mom knows about this. Have you heard of this? Oh, well, he's like not really on TikTok. I don't even know how to explain it because first of all, I don't even drink coffee. The main like thing that whipped coffee is, it's like a cup of milk and then there's like whipped coffee on top and it's like all fluffy and stuff. You'll see. But hopefully I make this right because the last one didn't turn out good. Here are the ingredients. We need instant coffee, sugar, and water. And milk for the cup later. Oh, by the way, you have to use an electric mixer. Oh my god, this is really heavy. This is this is more easy. I don't know how to use this.
I'll figure it out.
Okay. While Christian's trying to figure out the electric mixer, I'll put the ingredients in. 2 tablespoons of instant coffee.
I'm a genius.
So one of these packs is basically 1 tablespoon. That's really strong.
I like that stuff.
Can you show the camera? That's what it looks like.
Looks like dirt.
Yeah. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay. And then 2 tablespoons of water. Oh my god, that looks so weird. Now we just use the electric mixer to mix it. It's supposed to be really fluffy. Now we just mix it all.
So we were mixing for I swear like 10 minutes and it just wouldn't work. The consistency was supposed to become fluffy but it didn't. We even tried changing out the attachment with a different one but still no luck.
Alright. I've come to the conclusion that this is a whole big fail. Dang it, I really wanted that to work. Rest in peace, the peanut butter mug cake, and rest in peace, the whipped coffee. We're gonna clean up and then try the slutty brownies. Oh, I'm excited! Oh, it's like soft.
Really? Coley, you're supposed to gently cut it so you can keep the film on the thing.
Okay. Oh my god! It actually looks good though. It's kind of deformed, but that's what it... You can't really see it. So it's supposed to be the cookie, Oreo, and then brownie. Taste test! Gotta get every layer. Cheers. Ha! Ah! Only 1 out of 3 recipes worked.
I taste the Oreo, taste the brownie, taste the cookie.
Yeah. Mmm. This
And
with
it's
milk.
it's all one taste. That's pretty good.
Let's see if the parents want some.
You guys want to try a slutty brownie? Brownie on the top, Oreo in the middle, and cookie on the bottom.
That actually looks good,
Try and
you
get
guys.
everything in.
Yeah, it's kind of hot.
It's actually really good.
It's good.
You can't think he has to get
Is it good?
Surprisingly, it's good.
This is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Let us know if you want us to do a part 2 because there are like a bunch of different recipes. So yeah, we can definitely do another one. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, as well as turn on my post notifications so you guys get notified every time I post. You can go comment on my community tab, and I will see you guys in my next video. Stay positive. I love you guys so much. Bye.
Peace.